out of the hotel room. We got ready, packed everything. Got late by an hour actually. We woke up a bit late. We're starting now to Ganpatpule from here, which will take an hour to go. Okay, let's go. Culture. Yeah, usually we get this feeling when we check out from somewhere that we're forgetting something behind. So we got into the car, started to Ganpatpule from here. It is showing around 52 minutes to Ganpatpule. So once we reach there, we'll have to wrap up things fast as we got late, as it's gonna be midnight by the time we go home. We were told the beach road to Ganpatpule looks scenic. We'll go through some cliffs and all and see how it is. Sun is just rising. I don't know if it's visible on camera or not, but it's just coming up. There is a small, nice orange ball there. This is the Aravara beach that we came yesterday. That is the zipline that we saw yesterday. Beach looks pretty empty right now. This is a very famous road actually, where the road goes around the cliffs. You can see the complete beach view. That is the beach. That's the sunrise. Oof, very scenic actually. Sound of the waves is something, yeah. It's so peaceful. It calms you a lot. Back in the car. This is the viewpoint here in Aravara Beach. So this is a famous Aravara Beach road that you see in Google. Damn, nice road, bro. Came to Ganpatpule. We have to find some parking to park our car. Yep, this is a bit crowded. I think the temple is going to be completely packed. I think it will take more than half an hour for us to complete the darshan. We hope it completes sooner than that. So this is a temple entrance. We'll have to walk a bit from here. There are a lot of water activities here as well if you want to go and have some fun in the beach. It's like a package thing, like the same you have in Goa and Gokarna. So there is a temple. I think there is a huge line as well. There are proper queue arrangements and everything here, so I think it should be fine. We'll come back after darshan. So we just finished the temple darshan. We had some breakfast also. We had poha, vada pav, sabudana khichdi. Sabudana khichdi was okay, but poha and vada pav are too tasty. The darshan was very good. Temple was very nice, peaceful. Though it's crowded, it's still peaceful. The beach was nice. We haven't got into the beach. We just saw it from the temple and came back. It's already 9:30. We have to start back. So it will take around 30 to 14 hours to reach. We'll be around 12 by the time we go back to home. So this is the day 3 of our trip, mostly in car. There won't be anything much to show from here. Probably mostly it will be highway drive. If there is anything else, we'll record, we'll log it. Back on road, back to Hyderabad. Journey started. It's showing around 13 hours 21 minutes. 10:48 p.m. is the arrival time. But we'll have to stop for lunch. We'll have to stop for tea breaks. We have to stop for stretching breaks. So many things are there. So we'll reach around 12:31. I don't know what will be the condition of Nitin by that time. He got some chocolates. This guy is in angry mode. I don't know why. The wait is over. Getting on a highway, the moment of truth. Here it is. Hey, how's the driving experience till now? Good. How is it good, bro? It's good, bro. It's terrible, bro. It's good for me. My ass, bro. Finally, here we are. So from here, it will take 10 more minutes for us to reach a place to have lunch. ఇడేం చేస్తున్నాడు ఏంటి మరి మరి అంత బుద్ధిమంతుల్లో కూర్చున్నాడు శ్రీమంత్ నువ్వు బుద్ధిమంతుడు ఏంటా ఏం మాట్లాడుతున్నావు పవిత్ర లాగోసారి లెగ్స్ ఉన్నారు అన్నం తినవా? This is where we are stopping, guys. Guys are studying the menu too hard. It's a pure veg restaurant, but still decent menu. Lot of items are there. We just finished our lunch and we started back on the road in car going towards Solapur. Solapur is around 140 kilometers from here. We had a pretty basic lunch, just some soup, naans, curries. Everything's fine, but Srimanth ordered dal khichdi. We don't know why he ordered it actually. He barely touched it. Idiga cheppada ayina తాలింపు ఏమంటారా అని. మీకు ఎంతమంది ఏమన్నాడు? ఆయిల్ వేస్తాడు. We just filled diesel in Solapur and we started back and got caught by police for seatbelt. Prithvi swiped 500 in the hand of the police. From 2000 it reduced to 500 with a single note. Very beautiful actually. Prithvi is trying to capture some sunsets while having his tea. I am done with this trip mode actually. I have the habit of doing that. So whenever we go to a trip, the last day when we are going back home, I'll be like, are we there yet? Are we there yet? Are we there yet? I don't know. The last day of the trip, I have to reach home as soon as possible. Go to my room, go to my bed, sleep peacefully. I don't know if everyone feels that or not, but I do have that habit. Change of positions. I have to drive now, so we'll see you later. Back to Hyderabad. So we're on the streets of Hyderabad right now. This is the famous ICICI road that we're entering, which is our way to home. We didn't have anything for dinner, so we'll just go home and order. I think it'll take hardly 15 minutes from here. So we are finally back home, very close to home, just a minute from home. Done with the trip, feels so good to be home. This is the guy who drove the entire trip. We drove almost for 1440 kilometers almost. We went through different kinds of roads, highways, guard roads, single roads, dirty roads, potholes. ఇంకేమంటారా ఇంకెన్ని రోడ్లు ఉంటాయి అన్నీ మొత్తం మామిడి తోలేడు ఫుల్గా. Done with the trip, 3 days, very short trip, very kind of a hectic trip too. But yeah, somehow we did it. Feels good, I enjoyed. Nice one. Until next time, if the next time comes, I don't know if it comes or not. Same thing happened with my cooking channel as well. I don't know where is the cooking channel now. Yeah, cooking channel got cooked. This is our famous TNGO's colony. If you guys want to meet us, you can come to this Raptudip. Okay, bye. Hey guys, this is the next day actually. Yesterday what happened is when we were recording the last video, my phone storage got full. Biggest mistakes here. I had to back up everything, then I have to make some space in my phone. Shooting the last video for this entire trip. So this is about how our experience is with this trip. We did a lot of beginners mistakes, so you might you might find many things which are not supposed to be in place. We have Prithvi, Srimanth and Nitin as well. So Nitin just came here to do this vlog right now with me. So this is kind of a podcast with Nitin. And here we have Prithvi. He's actually a very good driver. Not driver. How do you say it in other words? Yeah, he's a very good car enthusiast. So he drives very good actually. These are the passengers, mostly sleeping. Yeah, sleeper cells of the WRV. Chapra, how long trip? So it's a very short trip actually, just 3 days of trip, but most probably we are in car only. We had a lot of fun actually. Day one we drove to Kolhapur from Hyderabad. The temple darshan was very good actually. It's very good time we had in the temple, very spiritual, devotional, whatnot, many things. On the same day, I think we went to palace there. It's called New Palace. Then we went to Rankala Lake. From there, we went to temple. So then we took rest. So that's for day one. Day two, we went to Ratnagiri from Kolhapur. That was one hell of a hectic drive, but it was a very scenic drive. Ratnagiri is good actually. So the beach we went to is called Kalba Devi Beach, and that was awesome really. So there were no people at the beach except we four. It was very deserted, but very nice to go during the daytime. I don't night time it would be very scary, hell scary because you won't find anyone there. From there we went to Aravare beach. We got to see amazing sunset there. We played a lot in the beach, took very good photos. Srimanth here took some amazing sunset photos. He captured many photos of us in camera. Prithvi also took many photos in his 1 lakh rupees phone. Special mention to that phone because that phone is our savior. Since like 2-3 years, I guess, most of our photos are being captured in that phone. These are some souvenirs we got from Kalbadevi beach actually. So Nitin got these for his aquariums in his home. Next day morning we had to go to Ganpatipule because Ganpatipule and Kolhapur are the main reason why we came to this trip. So Ganpatipule is again a Ganpati temple. The temple is right on the shore. So from there we started back to Hyderabad. We covered the distance pretty good. We took breaks as well for lunch, tea breaks, stretching breaks. We took all these things.
We covered 638 kilometers in 12 hours 40 minutes.
Yeah, so that was a pretty good time to cover the distance. Yeah, that's it. That's the trip. We came back. This is the first time we are vlogging. I am vlogging. So I am also actually a very camera shy guy. But sometimes you have to step out of your comfort zones and do things like this. I'm definitely sure that the vlog is going to turn out very bad. I don't know how to edit basically. So this editing and all will take at least 1 week of time. So this will come very late. I don't know if it will come out or not also. So Anup is the guy who missed out on this trip because of some reasons that he had to attend to, some personal reasons. But yeah, he should have been in this trip. He's the only person who missed that trip. Okay, that's it. End of the vlog. Okay, bye.